Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Remember to allow yourself to play pretend. Like right now, it's 90 degrees and I'm wearing a sweater and autumn makeup, really pretending that it's fall. Because I'm a writer and I'm trying to get inspired. Because I really miss the Michigan weather. Whatever the case, allow yourself to experiment, dress up, sit back and daydream about worlds and adventures and costumes and all of the things. Don't lose that wonderful imagination that you had growing up and that we still have and utilize every single day as writers. Dream, imagine, and I will see you next week. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and that's all for today. Bye, everyone. It's really, really hot. This was a bad idea, but a good idea.